My name is Elijah Carter, and I'm moving because they mounted two cellular antennas on the outside wall of my bedroom, and I started to get headaches, and dizziness, and faint, and a ringing in my ears. I've lived here about 7 years, and I had a good life. I am a very healthy individual. I have been eating excellent and exercising. I walked 4 to 6 miles a day prior to this. Never had headaches in my life. No pre-existing conditions, no high blood pressure, nothing. The apartment I lived in here was really pretty special because I had a view out over our city. Really nice, just really great situation. And so I'm moving because they put these antennas in, and they started a lot of pain in my head. I woke up, first I started with little slight headaches in the front of my head, and I started noticing it, and I was going, wait a second. And then I was like, well, that could still be anything, right? And then I started noticing in the morning and before I'd go to sleep that my scalp was getting really tight. Like sometimes when you're like, stressed out or whatever, you feel like massaging your head a little bit. And so I was noticing I'd be rubbing my scalp and it wouldn't go away. And then one morning I woke up and I was sleeping on my left side, but all down my scalp, side of my face, neck, shoulder, arm was all tight and tingling, like a heightened sensation. And it was about 5:30 in the morning, and it persisted until about 11 o'clock. So I called my doctor, and the nurse practitioner told me I ought to go to ER right away. So I went to ER, and they said they hadn't had any experience with anything like this. So they did, the CAT scan, the blood test, the urine sample, and they monitored me for several hours. Eventually the headache started to go away. So I went back to my apartment. This was a Wednesday. The next day, I decided I couldn't sleep in my bedroom again that night. So I slept in the living room. And even though I slept as far as I could from the antennas, I woke up the next morning just deep in my temples and all across my head. It started to lessen up a little bit, and kind of went about my day. And then that evening I went out to get an electrosmog, the RF radiation meter, and when I went out, I went for a walk by the ocean, and my headache went away. As soon as I came back in my apartment, the headache started up. Actually, when I went into my bedroom, the headache got really bad. It's like the American dream on the one hand, and yet it's like a nightmare on the other hand. My message to people who were like me that didn't pay attention to this is wake up. You gotta pay attention to this because this is real.